Hey there, welcome to AI Riches. Our channel is all about leveraging the power of AI to create wealth and financial freedom. We believe that AI is the future of business and investing, and we want to help you take advantage of this rapidly growing industry on this channel. You'll find insights and ideas on how to use AI to grow your investments and achieve financial success. We'll cover everything from AI-powered investing strategies to using machine learning to identify new business opportunities. We'll also share tips and tactics on how to use AI to grow your business and increase your revenue. Plus, we'll explore the latest advancements in AI technology and how they can be used to improve your customer service, automate your workflows, and streamline your operations. So, whether you're an investor or an entrepreneur, AI Riches has something for you. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.